Di video pembelajaran bahasa Inggris kali ini, kita akan membahas tentang penggunaan kata by. By berarti oleh. Dalam kalimat bahasa Inggris, kata by ini berfungsi sebagai preposition atau kata depan, juga bisa berfungsi sebagai adverb atau kata keterangan. Alright, yang pertama kita bahas yaitu fungsi by sebagai preposition atau kata depan dalam kalimat bahasa Inggris. Penggunaannya yaitu used to show the person or thing that does something, atau digunakan untuk menunjukkan orang atau benda yang melakukan sesuatu. Maknanya yaitu oleh. Contoh kalimatnya, the motorcycle was driven by a tiny bald man. The motorcycle was driven by a tiny bald man. Sepeda motor itu dikendarai oleh seorang pria botak kecil. We were amazed by what she told us. We were amazed by what she told us. Kami kagum dengan apa yang dia katakan kepada kami. I'm reading some short stories written by Nadia. I'm reading some short stories written by Nadia. Saya membaca beberapa cerita pendek yang ditulis oleh Nadia. The book was translated by a well-known author. The book was translated by a well-known author. Buku itu diterjemahkan oleh seorang penulis terkenal. I felt frightened by the anger in his voice. I felt frightened by the anger in his voice. Saya merasa takut dengan amarah dalam suaranya. The roof of the temple was held up by a row of thick stone columns. The roof of the temple was held up by a row of thick stone columns. Atap candi ditopang oleh deretan tiang batu yang tebal. The girl's mother was at home today, being comforted by relatives. The girl's mother was at home today, being comforted by relatives. Ibu gadis itu ada di rumah hari ini, dihibur oleh kerabat. The English were conquered by the Normans in 1066. The English were conquered by the Normans in 1066. Inggris ditaklukkan oleh Normandia pada 1066. The temperature is controlled by a thermostat. The temperature is controlled by a thermostat. Temperatur dikontrol oleh termostat. Any painting by Van Gogh is worth a fortune. Any painting by Van Gogh is worth a fortune. Lukisan apapun yang dilukis oleh Van Gogh bernilai mahal. Penggunaan by sebagai preposition selanjutnya yaitu used to show how something is done atau digunakan untuk menunjukkan bagaimana sesuatu dilakukan. Maknanya yaitu dengan. Contoh kalimatnya, They traveled across Yogyakarta by train. They traveled across Yogyakarta by train. Mereka melintasi Yogyakarta dengan kereta api. She did the decorating all by herself. She did the decorating all by herself. Dia mendekorasinya sendiri. We went in by the front door. We went in by the front door. Kami masuk lewat pintu depan. Do you want to be paid in cash or by check? Do you want to be paid in cash or by check? Apakah Anda ingin dibayar tunai atau dengan cek? He learned English by listening to the radio. He learned English by listening to the radio. Dia belajar bahasa Inggris dengan mendengarkan radio. Suddenly she grabbed him by the arm. Suddenly she grabbed him by the arm. Tiba-tiba dia menggenggam lengannya. I refuse to live by their rules. I refuse to live by their rules. Saya menolak untuk hidup menurut aturan mereka. She cheated in the test by copying from the boy in front. She cheated in the test by copying from the boy in front. Dia menyontek dalam ujian dengan meniru dari anak laki-laki di depan. I don't have any cash on me, so could I pay by check? I don't have any cash on me, so could I pay by check? Saya tidak mempunyai uang tunai, jadi bolehkah saya membayar dengan cek? Whenever I travel by train, I always travel first class. Whenever I travel by train, I always travel first class. Setiap kali saya bepergian dengan kereta, saya selalu bepergian dengan kelas 1. He managed to stay afloat by holding on to the side of the boat. He managed to stay afloat by holding on to the side of the boat. Dia berhasil tetap bertahan dengan berpegangan pada sisi perahu. The pilot avoided a collision by changing course. The pilot avoided a collision by changing course. Pilot menghindari tabrakan dengan mengubah jalur. They thought about flying to Bandung but decided to go by car. They thought about flying to Bandung but decided to go by car. Mereka berpikir untuk terbang ke Bandung tetapi memutuskan untuk pergi dengan mobil. Penggunaan by sebagai preposition selanjutnya yaitu used to say something that near or at the side, atau digunakan untuk mengungkapkan sesuatu yang berada di dekat atau di samping. Contoh kalimatnya, a small child stood silently by her side. A small child stood silently by her side. Seorang anak kecil berdiri dengan cemberut di sampingnya. He wanted to keep her close by him always. He wanted to keep her close by him always. Dia ingin selalu dekat dengannya. The policewoman walked by them without saying a word. The policewoman walked by them without saying a word. Polwan itu berjalan melewati mereka tanpa mengucapkan sepatah kata pun. We spent a week by the coast. We spent a week by the coast. Kami menghabiskan waktu seminggu di tepi pantai. He held my arms down by my sides. He held my arms down by my sides. Dia menahan lenganku di sisi tubuhku. He has a house down by the harbor. He has a house down by the harbor. Dia memiliki rumah di dekat pelabuhan. She sat reading by the fireside. She sat reading by the fireside. Dia duduk dan membaca di dekat perapian. Fungsi kata by yang lainnya yaitu sebagai adverb atau kata keterangan dalam kalimat bahasa Inggris. Maknanya yaitu di samping, lewat, atau berlalu. Contoh kalimatnya, why don't you call in for a cup of coffee next time you're passing by? Why don't you call in for a cup of coffee next time you're passing by? Mengapa kamu tidak menelpon untuk minum kopi saat kamu lewat? The years flew by. The years flew by. Tahun-tahun berlalu. I was just passing by, so I thought I'd drop in for a chat. I was just passing by, so I thought I'd drop in for a chat. Saya baru saja lewat, jadi saya pikir saya akan mampir untuk mengobrol. He tapped Rio on the shoulders as he went by. He tapped Rio on the shoulder as he went by. Dia menepuk bahu Rio saat dia lewat. A small child stood quietly by her side. A small child stood quietly by her side. Seorang anak kecil berdiri dengan tenang di sampingnya. Indah waved as she drove by. Indah waved as she drove by. Indah melambai saat dia lewat. As time went by, she became more attached to him. As time went by, she became more attached to him. Seiring berjalannya waktu, dia menjadi lebih terikat padanya. Baiklah, sampai di sini video pembelajaran bahasa Inggris yang membahas tentang penggunaan by kali ini. Semoga bermanfaat and thank you for watching.